So in Brooklyn, if you start taking an interest in the universe, and there are other rhymers, rappers, you had to be a little weird for doing that. Isn't that right? It can't have been normal.
It depends on, well, it comes off as not being normal to most. But
I wasn't normal doing it, and I wasn't even a rapper.
Well, it depends on how you deliver it. You know, if I'm delivering it in a way where I'm like, Earth is the third planet.
Okay.
And the sun shines light.
Right.
It's
okay.
not done
No, that doesn't play.
Right.
Not in Brooklyn. Not in. Okay.
But if it's in a way where you're saying my universe run like clockworks forever, my words are pulled together, sudden change in the weather, the nature and the scale of events don't make sense. A storm with no one in, you're drawn in by immense gravity that's going mad. Clouds of dust and debris moving at colossal speeds, they crush an MC. So you speak about the universe and planets, but you still incorporate the element of MCing.
And the mood and the feeling.
The feeling, yes.
And so you've embraced the universe. A lot of cool vocabulary there. I make a big deal of the fact that our vocabulary is very accessible. Galaxies, the dwarf, the black hole, Big Bang. And a lot of them are even one syllables. I'm guessing that makes it easier to rhyme and easier to pulse into a lyric.
Yes.
Rather than the words of geologists or...
Of course. You know, Rakim, I usually quote him on some of his lyrics. And he had this line years ago, and this was in the 80s, where he said, I'm the creator of the alphabets, now let's communicate when I translate the situation straight. No dictionaries necessary to use. Big words do nothing but confuse and lose. So...
There it is.
Half short, twice strong.
Beautiful.
The only difference is if I use the word nova, I'll be speaking about a star, unlike the average rapper who will probably be talking about a car.